Did you get your spice blend yet? Have you gotten your spice blend yet? Your Carter's all-purpose low-sodium soul food seasoning. 7 spice. Get it now, just in time for the holidays. Like, comment, share, and thank you for subscribing to our channel. Today. Today's liver mush. Fried liver mush sandwich. I don't have any bread, and I don't have yellow mustard. I've got spicy mustard. If it's your first time here, like, comment, share, thumbs it up, tell a neighbor, tell a friend, comment, commit, and stick. Comment, commit, and stick. Y'all, when's the last time y'all had a liver mush sandwich? You're supposed to use yellow mustard. Mine's stone grown, but it's going to be good. If you see this at the store, get it. Listen, housekeeping. Boop, boop, double tap, thumbs it up, and if you'd be so kind, consider hitting the subscriber button. Boom. We're using raisin cinnamon bread. It's okay. Over here, we're truly from the South, North Carolina. Thank you everyone for watching our last video. Tacos for Life /
Yes.
Day in my life of a 53-year-old starting over. I don't have my glasses on. We got some Carter Spice Blend. Get there. Happy Saturday. I hope you're having a great weekend. Happy homecoming to all my Aggies. Normally, you have an egg and some cheese.
Okay.
There's so many flavors. Do it with the raisin bread. You're disgusting. And the spicy mustard.
Did you just say spicy mustard? Mom, you're disgusting. What do you eat?
Taste it.
That's good though. That bread.
I'm saving the middle for later. Yup. The lipstick on it. How many of y'all saved the middle for the?
Daddy, look at the bird.
The best bite is the middle.
The chair.
Oh, don't fat booty bird.
That's a fat bird right there. That's a decent fat bird.
Fat booty bird.
Okay, this is like
I'm a little kid. I take the crust off.
I wonder how he tastes.
Y'all, do your old school liver mush sandwich. With raisin bread. Hit it with that mayo. Get yourself the spice blend for the holidays.
Hey, Birdie.
Here's the last bite right in the middle. Coming up. Ooh. We fed Blake made breakfast. Go see it on Mr. Do It Now. Everyone's fed. It's 1:11. I'm just now eating my breakfast. Come on. Come on. If you're a true foodie, welcome to our channel. There's something for everyone. There's salads. There's vegetarian meals. There's monk fruit. There's dunk fruit. There's, what's those things called? Beets. There's chicken feet. There's hog maws. There's chitlins. There's fried chicken. There's fruit mukbangs. There's even cow tongue. There's family vlogs to the beach. Anything you want is at Carter's Eat. Still rhyming. Y'all, this is the place you want to be. Be sure you double tap the screen. Help our channel grow. Become a part of our thriving community. And to all my members, thank you for continuing to support me. To Mrs. Carter, we're going to get that channel back up and running. Thank you for all the prayers and everybody that left well wishes on getting that rectified. I'm working on it. I'm going to check on it later on today. If you know about this, you know. I'm going to show it being made on both channels. One will be 2 minutes long. Over there, it'll be 5 minutes long. There's your bite. It might not look like much, but if you know, you know it. A liver mush, fried liver mush sandwich, scrapple, liver pudding, liver rail. Y'all invited. Remember, we go out to dinner with Papa tonight. Arthur's dad. I'm sure I'll do a what we eat in a day. I may have a mommy moment today, I may not. But make sure you cash at me your 14 for your Carter Spice Blend. And in the subject line, leave your address. Okay.